I was not going to make this video, but my friend's stunning hair transformation after using the gelatin trick for just a few weeks really got me curious. She had been struggling with thinning hair for years, and I'd seen her try countless products and treatments without much success. But after incorporating the gelatin trick into her daily routine, her hair started looking fuller, shinier, and healthier. As I dug deeper, I realized that the gelatin trick is all about nourishing your body from the inside out, which in turn promotes hair growth and thickness. By adding a spoonful of gelatin to her morning routine, my friend was giving her hair follicles the boost they needed to thrive. I've since started using the gelatin trick myself, and I can already see the difference it's making. The gelatin trick is so simple, yet so effective. It's amazing how something as basic as gelatin can have such a profound impact on our overall health and beauty. If you're eager to try the gelatin trick for yourself, be sure to check out the link in my description for more information, and take a look at the pinned comment below where I've shared some helpful tips to get you started. By giving the gelatin trick a try, you might just find yourself on the path to thicker, more luscious hair, and I'd love to hear about your experience with it.